Configured once again for standard operations at ATL. We're going to have another go at this. I know last time it was abysmal. Some of that was my fault. A lot of that was pilots being stupid, which is the AI. Real world pilots wouldn't be that stupid. So we are configured again. We moved it ahead to 1300, so 1 o'clock. And I ran the majority of last time, kind of the way I've done it. I sent a few planes north. I don't know if you can see my mouse right now, but I sent a few of the planes north out of the aprons down Foxtrot to Echo. I'll probably still try to do some of that, but instead of sending my arrivals straight up the bottom of the aprons and running into each other like I had a few times, which again was my fault, I'm going to do what I did at the end, which was route. Let you finish talking. Route everybody over Delta and then in on Echo. So Foxtrot will be west-east, and Echo will be east to west. So all my arrivals are going to come down from the top, all my departures are going to come down from the top, and all of my arrivals from the top are going to come down from the top. The only major fallacy in this one is that I have to keep Delta clear. If I block Delta, I'm going to be screwed. So I'm going to have to pay a lot of attention to who's coming in and where they're going and how that's going to happen. So Southwest 2648, pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Ground 27 right, pushback approved. Southwest.
I haven't played this period, so I don't know what traffic's going to be like. Delta 3901, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway 26 right, cleared to land. Delta 3901. Tower, American 1700 requesting push and start.
American 1700, pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Ground 27 right, pushback approved. American 1700. Tower, Delta 1771 with you, runway 27 left.
Delta 1771, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left, cleared to land. Delta 1771.
Alright, let's see if I can put everything together for this one.
Tower, Delta 1367 with you, runway 26 right.
Delta 1367, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway
Definitely
26 right, cleared to land.
so
Delta
far.
1367. Ground, Southwest 2648, ready to taxi.
Southwest 2648, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Runway 27 right, taxi via Lima. Southwest 2648. Tower, Delta 1856 with you, runway 27 left.
Delta 1856, runway 27 left, cleared to land. You can see the density is a lot more in this.
Delta 1856.
Crazy.
Ground, American 1700 ready to taxi.
American 1700, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Runway 27 right, taxi via Lima. American 1700. Tower, AC 5370 with you, runway 26 right.
AC 5370, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway 26 right, cleared to land. AC 5370.
My goodness.
Tower, American 2072 requesting push and start.
American 2072, pushback approved, expect a runway 26 left.
Tower, Delta 1272 with you, runway 27 left. Ground, 26 left, pushback approved. American 2072.
Delta 1272, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Tower, Delta 2373 requesting push and start.
Delta 2373, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Runway 27 left, cleared to land. Delta 1272. Ground, 27 right, pushback approved.
Holy
Delta
cow.
2373. Tower, Delta 2120 with you, runway 26 right. Ground, American 2072 ready to taxi.
American 2072, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot Echo.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot Echo. American
Delta 2120,
2072.
runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Tower, Delta 1672 with you, runway 27 left.
Delta 1672, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 26 right, cleared to land. Delta 2120.
So
Runway
if I can
27
get a
left,
good rhythm
cleared to
going,
land.
because
Delta
this is
1672.
going to be nuts.
Tower, Delta 1486 requesting push and start.
Delta 1486, pushback approved, expect runway 26 left.
Ground, Delta 2373 ready to taxi.
Delta 2373, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Ground, 26 left, pushback approved. Delta 1486. Runway 27 right, taxi via Lima. Delta 2373.
Delta 391, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Tower, Delta 2232 with you, runway to 6 right. Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta 39 Nerd 1. Tower, Delta 9 Nerd 88 with you, runway to 7 left.
Delta 1486, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot Echo.
Ground, Delta 1486 ready to taxi.
Delta 2232, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 left, taxi via Foxtrot
Brickyard
Echo,
4411,
Delta
pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Delta 223
Delta 988, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Ground, to 7 right.
Southwest 2648, runway 27 right, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000, on reaching,
Delta
contact
1771,
departure,
taxi the apron via Sierra Lima Delta Echo.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land, Delta 9 Nerd 88. Taxi to apron via Sierra Line, Delta Echo, Delta 1771. Tower, Brickyard 4411.
Delta 2303, pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Tower, Delta 2303, requesting push and start.
Delta 1367, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor.
Ground, to 7 right, push back approved. Delta 2303. Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor, Delta 1367.
Delta 2457, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Tower, Delta 2457 with you, runway to
Frontier
6 right.
Flight 1541, pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Delta 2457.
Delta 1771, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Ground, to 7 right, push
There
back
you go.
approved. Frontier Flight
Delta
1541.
1856, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo, Delta 1771. Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo, Delta 1856.
Delta 62, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Tower, Frontier Flight 1541 requesting push and start.
Brickyard 4411, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land, Delta 62. Runway to 7 right, taxi via line Brickyard 4411. Tower, Delta 62 with you, runway to 7 left. Ground, Brickyard 4411 ready to taxi.
Gotcha.
Tower, Southwest 4005 with
There
you,
we go.
runway to 6 right. Tower, Delta 1400 requesting push and start.
Delta 1400, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Tower, Spirit Wings 824 requesting push and start.
Southwest 4005, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Ground, to 7 right, push back approved.
AC
Delta
5370,
1400.
taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Southwest 4005.
Spirit Wings 824, pushback approved, expect a runway 26 left.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot AC 5370. Ground, to 6 left, push back approved. Spirit Wings 824. Tower, Delta 902 with you, runway to 7 left.
Delta 902, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Ground, Delta 2303 ready to taxi.
American 1700, runway 27 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land, Delta 902.
Delta 25907, pushback approved, expect a runway 26 left.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff, American 1700.
Delta 1272, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Ground, to 6 left, push back approved. Delta 25907.
American 2072, runway 26 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo, Delta
Delta
1272.
3902, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff, American 2072. Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Delta 3902.
Frontier Flight 1541, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Tower, Delta 25907 requesting push and start. Runway to 7 right, taxi via line
Delta
Frontier Flight
2303, runway
1541.
27 right, taxi via Lima.
Ground, Frontier Flight 1541 ready to taxi.
Delta 2120, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Runway to 7 right, taxi via line Delta 2303. Taxi to apron via Bravo
Alright.
Victor Foxtrot Delta 2120. Tower, Delta 3902 with you, runway to 6 right. Ground, Delta 1400 ready to taxi. Ground, Spirit Wings 824 ready to taxi.
Delta 1400, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Ground, Delta 25907 ready to taxi. Runway to 7 right, taxi via line Delta 1400.
Delta 25907, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot Echo.
Tower, Delta 1929 with you, runway to 7 left.
Spirit Wings 824, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot Echo.
Runway to 6 left, taxi via Foxtrot Echo Delta
Delta 1771,
25907.
continue taxi.
Runway to 6 left, taxi via Foxtrot Echo Spirit Wings 824. Continue taxi Delta 177.
Delta 1486, runway 26 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Tower, Delta 130.
Delta
with you,
1672,
runway to
taxi
6 right.
to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff, Delta 1486.
Alright, I think I'm
Taxi
caught
to
up on
apron
that.
via line, Delta
Delta
Echo,
1929, runway
1672.
27 left, cleared to land.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land, Delta 1929er.
Delta 130, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Delta 130.
Delta 2373, runway 27 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact
Delta
departure,
2232,
cleared for
taxi
takeoff,
to
Delta
apron via Bravo
2373.
Victor Foxtrot.
Tower, Southwest 558 with you, runway to 7 left.
Southwest 558, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot, Delta 2232. Runway to 7 left, cleared to land, Southwest 558.
Okay, are you gonna move? Yes, you are. Alright, you are good to go. You are next. Delta 988, taxi to apron via November 5, Mike Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via
See if he
November
takes
5
it.
Mike Delta Echo Delta 988. Tower, AC 5 to 908 with you, runway to 6 right. Tower, Delta 2369 requesting push and start.
Delta 2369er, pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Ground, to 7 right, pushback approved.
AC 5298,
Delta
runway 26 right,
2369er.
cleared to land.
Runway to 6
Delta
right, cleared to land,
2457,
AC
taxi
5
to apron via
908.
Bravo. Delta 2457, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta 2457. Tower, American 1427 requesting push and start.
Okay. American 1427, pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Ground, to 7 right, pushback approved. American 1427. Tower, Delta 2250 with you, runway to 7 left.
Delta 2250, runway 27 left, clear to land. Delta 1400, runway 27 right, line up and wait. Delta 1856, continue taxi.
Continue taxi
See if
Delta
I'm cutting this one too early.
1856.
Nope, just right.
Runway to 7 right, line up and way, Delta 1400.
Pretty
Runway
close,
to
but
7 left,
that'll
clear
work.
to land, Delta 2250. Tower, Southwest.
Delta
082,
62, taxi to
push
apron
and
via
start.
November 5, Mike Delta Echo.
Taxi
See
to
if he'll
apron
take that
via
one.
November 5 Mike Delta Echo Delta 62.
Spirit Wings 824, runway 26 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Spirit Wings 824.
Delta 2597, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Tower, Delta 764 with you, runway to 6 right. Runway to 6 left, line up and way, Delta 259er7.
Southwest 2082, pushback approved, expect a runway 27 right.
Ground, to 7 right, pushback
Southwest 4005,
Southwest
taxi to apron via
082.
Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
approved. Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Southwest 4005. Ground, Delta 2369.
Delta 764, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Delta 764.
Delta 2369er, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Runway to 7 right, taxi
Delta
by line,
1400, runway 27
2369.
right, climb to 1. Delta 1400, runway 27 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 right,
myself
climb to
hosed on that.
1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff, Delta 1400. Ground, American 1427 ready to taxi.
American 1427, runway 26 left, taxi via Lima Delta Echo.
Tower, American 1473 with you, runway to 7 left. Runway to 6 left, taxi by line, Delta Echo, American 1427.
American 1473, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Ground, Southwest 08 to ready to taxi.
Brickyard 4411, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to
Southwest
land, American
2082, runway 27
1473.
right, taxi via Lima.
Runway to 7 right, taxi by
just
line,
landed? Oh,
Southwest
you.
082.
Delta 902, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Runway to 7 right line.
Delta
up and way,
1272,
Brickyard
continue
4411.
taxi.
Taxi to apron by line, Delta Echo, Delta
where are you?
902.
Delta 988, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 1272. Continue taxi Delta 988.
Delta 3902, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Tower, SkyWest 4858 with you, runway to 6 right. Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta 3902.
SkyWest 4858, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Tower, Delta 1655 requesting push and start. Runway to 6 right cleared to land SkyWest 4858.
Delta 1655, pushback approved. Expect a runway 27 right.
Tower, Delta 1106 with you. Runway to 7 left. Ground, to 7 right pushback approved. Delta 1655.
Delta 1106, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway to 7 left cleared to land Delta 1106.
South, what am I gonna do?
Tower, Delta 1868 with
Dang
you.
it, shut
Runway
up.
to 6 right.
Delta 1929er, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo. And I waited too long.
Taxi to apron.
Brickyard
by line, Delta
4411,
Echo,
runway
Delta
27 right,
1999.
climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000. on
Frontier
reaching
Flight
contact
1541,
departure,
runway
cleared
27
for
right,
takeoff.
line up and
Brickyard
wait.
4411.
Delta 2369er, runway 27 right at Mike 20. 0. Dang.
Runway to 7 right.
Delta
line up and
2369er,
wait.
runway
Frontier
27
Flight
right at
1541.
Lima Charlie.
Runway to 7 right at line Charlie Delta 2369er.
Delta 259er7, runway 26 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000. On reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 259er7. Ground.
Delta 130, taxi
1655
to apron
ready
via
taxi.
Bravo Victor Foxtrot. Delta 1655, runway 26 left, taxi via Lima Delta Echo.
Runway to 6 left, taxi by line Delta Echo Delta 1655. Taxi to apron
Delta
via
1655,
Bravo
runway
Victor
26
Foxtrot,
left
Delta
at Echo
130.
13.
Runway to 6 left at Echo 13 Delta 1655. Tower, southwest.
Delta
39er,
1672, continue taxi.
Runway to 7 left. Continue
Delta
taxi,
62, continue
1672.
taxi.
Continue
Delta
taxi,
1868, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right.
Southwest
cleared to land,
399er,
Delta
runway 27 left,
1868.
cleared to land.
Runway to 7 left cleared to land Southwest 39er. Tower, Delta 189er1 with you. Runway to 6 right.
Delta 1891, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6
Delta
right, cleared to land,
2369er,
Delta
runway 27
189er.
right, line up and wait.
Runway to 7 right, line up and wait. Delta 2369er.
Alright, so now we're going to see the reality of what's going to happen here. And I'm going to have to wait a second for my picture because I want that plane landing in the background. AC 52908, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot. Southwest 558, taxi to apron via November 5, Mike Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron.
United
via November
1808,
5,
pushback
Delta
approved,
Echo,
expect
Southwest
runway 27
558.
right.
Ground to 7 right, pushback approved. United 1808. Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot AC 529er.
Plane got in faster than I
Tower,
could do that.
Delta
Alright, let me
566
get my
with you. Runway
image
to 7
saved.
left. Tower, United 1808 requesting push and start.
Alright. Who are you again? Delta 2369er, runway 27 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000. On reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 2369er.
Delta 2250, taxi to apron via November 5, Mike Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via November 5 Mike Delta Echo Delta
Who are
2250.
you? No. What are you doing? I said Lima Delta Echo. Shoot, is anybody at all coming here? Delta 1856, hold position.
Hold position Delta 1856.
Delta 3902, hold short of taxiway Foxtrot.
Hold short of taxiway
Walk
Foxtrot
over
Delta
here.
3902.
Delta 762, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Tower.
Delta 764, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta
Southwest
764.
558, taxi to apron via November 5, Mike Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via November
moving.
5 Mike Delta Echo
Southwest 558, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo Southwest 558. Ground, United 1808.
Frontier Flight 1541, runway 27 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7
Delta
right,
2303, runway
1000,
27
on
right,
reaching
line up and
contact
wait.
Departure cleared for takeoff. Frontier Flight
American
1541.
1427, runway 26 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 right, line up and way Delta 2303. Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000 on reaching contact.
Delta
Departure
1655, hold
cleared
position.
for American 1427.
Hold, stop,
Tower, Delta
stop.
370 with you, runway to 7 left.
Delta 1655, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot, Echo.
Hold position Delta 1655. Runway to 6 left, taxi via Foxtrot, Echo.
Delta 2250, taxi to apron via November 5, Mike, Delta, Echo.
Say again. Taxi to apron via November 5, Mike, Delta, Echo.
Delta 2250, taxi to apron via Lima, Delta, Echo. Delta 2303, runway 27 right, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000 on reaching
Delta
contact,
566, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
2303.
American 1814, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron
United
via Delta,
1808,
Echo,
runway
2250.
26 left, taxi via Lima, Delta, Echo. United 1808, runway 26 left. United 1808, runway 26 left, taxi via Lima, Delta, Echo.
Runway to 6 left, taxi via line Delta, Echo. United 18.
American 1473, taxi to apron via Lima, Delta, Echo.
Runway to 6
American
left,
1473,
American
taxi to
181.
apron via Tango, Mike, Delta, Echo. See if I can get you
Taxi
going
to
that
apron
way.
via Tango, Mike, Delta, Echo.
Southwest
American
2082, runway 27 right, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Taxi to apron via line Delta, Echo. American 1473.
Delta 1856, continue taxi.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Southwest 082.
Delta 1106, taxi to apron via November Tango, Mike, Delta, Echo.
Continue taxi Delta 1856.
Skywest 4858, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via November Tango, Mike, Delta, Echo. Delta 1106.
Delta 370, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron via Bravo
Delta
Victor
2251,
Foxtrot,
runway
Skywest
26 right, cleared to
485.
land. Delta 1177, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land. Delta 1177.
Delta 3902,
Runway to 6
you need to
right,
wait a
cleared
second
to
since
land.
I've
Delta
offset
251.
everything.
Runway to 7
Yeah,
left, cleared to land.
this is
Delta
gonna get me
370. Runway to 7 left, cleared to land.
You're
Delta
cleared to go.
566.
You're going
Tower,
that way.
Delta 2251 with you, runway to 6 right. Tower, Delta 1177 with you, runway
Delta
to 7 left.
1868, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Tower, Delta 1420 with you, runway to 6 right. Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot, Delta 1868.
Perfect. Okay, that's where I'm going. Delta 1420, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land. Delta 1420.
Southwest 3909, taxi to apron via November Tango, Mike, Delta, Echo.
Tower, Delta
Yeah.
429 with you, runway to
Southwest
7 left.
3909, taxi to apron via November Tango, Lima.
Taxi to
Go that
apron
way.
via November Tango, Mike, Delta, Echo. Southwest
You're going there, you're going there, you're going
Taxi to
there.
apron via
You're going
November
there.
Tango,
Jeez,
Mike,
everybody
Southwest
wants to head down that
3999.
apron. All right, well, you guys are going to have to wait a minute. Delta 429, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land. Delta 429.
Okay, that was a nightmare. Delta 902, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 902. Tower, Southwest 3077 requesting push and start.
Southwest 3077, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground, to 7 right, pushback approved. Southwest
All right, you gotta go,
3077.
and that's it.
Tower, Southwest 1150 with you, runway to 6 right.
American 1473, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, American 1473.
Southwest 1150, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land. Southwest
Delta
1150.
1891, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot, Delta 18901.
Delta 1106, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, Delta
Delta
11006.
1929, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, Delta 190.
Southwest 558, hold short of runway 8 right.
Ground, Southwest 3077.
Delta 2250, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, Southwest 558.
Southwest 3077, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Hold short of runway 8 right,
Delta 1295,
250.
runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway to 7 right, taxi via line Southwest 3077.
Alright, I need to get
Runway
you
to
guys
7
moving,
left,
so I
cleared
need you to land.
Delta 12905.
I'm gonna get you a little
Delta
closer,
12905
and then
with
we'll
you,
knock
runway
that
to
out.
7 left.
Delta 566, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo Delta 566.
That's where I'm going to hold him up. Right, you're closer. Delta 392, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 392.
Delta 1655, runway 26 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
American 1814, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Tower, Delta 2513 with you, runway to 6 right.
Delta 2513, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot, American 181. Runway to 6 right, cleared to land Delta 2513. Tower, Spirit Wings 163, requesting push and start.
Spirit Wings 163, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right, pushback approved. Spirit Wings 163. Tower, Delta 1210 with you, runway 27 left.
Delta 1210, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left, cleared to land Delta 1210.
Delta 370, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo Delta 370.
Okie dokie. That was crazy. Southwest 399er, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Southwest 399er.
Delta 566, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, Delta 566. Tower, Delta 159er with you, runway to 6 right.
Delta 159er2, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Delta 159er2.
Delta 2251, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot, Delta 2251.
Great, you're going right there. No, I already cleared you. Dang, yeah, you shouldn't be taking that pull-off route. Well, I guess it does have a little north and then a dog right, so yeah, I guess that works. I thought it was just a straight drunk 45-degree angle in the wrong direction, which is not what pilots would do. Where are you going? United 1808, runway 26 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure.
Alright, let's get this mess taken care of.
Tower, Delta 1160 with you, runway to 7 left.
Delta 1160, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land, Delta 1160.
Delta 1177, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo Delta 1177.
Delta 370, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, Delta 370.
Southwest 3077, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway to 7 right, line up and wait, Southwest 3077.
Spirit Wings 163, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima.
Runway to 7 right, taxi via line 1 Spirit Wings 163.
Delta 110,
Southwest
you'll get there
188
first,
with
so
you,
it's
runway
gonna
to
be
6 right. Ground, Spirit Wings 163, ready to taxi.
Delta 566, hold position. Not yet. Southwest 188, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land, Southwest 188.
Delta 1420, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot, Delta 1420.
Oh, what are you doing? Southwest 399er, hold position.
Hold position, Southwest
Spirit Wings
399er.
163, hold position.
Hold position, Spirit Wings 163. Tower, Delta 7 for 4 with you, runway to 7 left.
What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I need to find the channel. Comments.
Tower, Delta 1317 with you, runway to 6 right.
Delta 744, runway 27 left, cleared to land. Delta 1317, runway 26 right, cleared to land. Southwest 3077, runway 27 right, climb to 1000, on reaching contact departure.
Negative. Southwest.
Southwest
3077.
3077, runway 27 right, climb to 1000. On reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to
Delta
land,
429er, taxi to apron
1317.
via Lima Delta.
Runway to 7 right, climb to 1000. On reaching
Delta
contact
429er,
departure,
taxi to
cleared
apron
for
via Lima
Southwest
Delta Echo.
3077. Taxi to apron via line Delta 429.
Southwest 1150, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via line
Southwest
Delta Echo,
1150, hold
429.
short of taxiway Echo.
Taxi to apron via
Southwest
Bravo Victor
1150,
Foxtrot,
hold
Southwest
short of taxiway
1150.
Echo.
Hold short of taxiway Echo Southwest 1150.
Delta 129er5, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Runway to 7 left, clear
Spirit
to land
Wings,
Delta 7
I
for
need to
4.
find that.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo Delta
no.
129
What are you
5.
doing? This one. So you are, where are you? You
Tower,
are
Delta 338 with you, runway to 7 left.
just past Sierra. Spirit Wings 163, runway 27 right, taxi via Lima 6, Mike.
Runway to 7 right, taxi via line 6 Mike, Spirit Wings
Okay,
163.
you go. Delta 1177, continue taxi.
Continue taxi
Delta 338, runway
1177.
27 left, cleared to land.
Runway to 7 left, cleared to land Delta 338.
Delta 2513, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta 2513.
Delta 429er, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right.
Delta 129er5, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, Delta 129er5. Tower, Delta 24.
Southwest 3999er, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Southwest 3999er.
This is going to be a mess. Okay. Delta 2452, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land Delta 2452.
Spirit Wings 163, hold short of taxiway Sierra.
Hold short of taxiway Sierra, Spirit Wings 163.
Delta 1210, taxi to apron via Lima.
Tower, Delta 1212 with you, runway to 7 left.
Delta 1212, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron via line Delta 1210.
This is a
Runway to 7
nightmare
left,
of a
cleared
traffic
to land
jam.
Delta 1212.
Okay, good, you're good to go. I'm just going to have you go. Spirit Wings 163, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Spirit Wings 163.
Delta 15902, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta 159er2.
Sweet.
Tower, Delta 846 with you, runway to 6 right.
Delta 846, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land Delta 846.
Spirit Wings 163, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway to 7 right, line up and wait, Spirit Wings 163.
Yeah. Delta 1160, taxi to apron via Lima.
Taxi to apron
That's
via line
fine,
Delta
you'll get there.
1160.
Delta 1160, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right, Delta 1160.
Alright, who's the guy going all the way across? You, and you've got a long way to go, and you're holding short of there, so I'll get a bunch of planes across, and then I'll have to have somebody else hold there. But I think all these planes, I think 1160 will probably be the one to hold short of Delta. Everyone else, I think, will get there in time to not be a major concern. Southwest 188, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Southwest 188.
Southwest 188, hold short of taxiway Echo.
Hold short of taxiway Echo Southwest 188.
looking good. I got that all cleared up. That was quite the hectic mess. Delta 744, taxi to apron via Lima Delta Echo.
Taxi to apron via line Delta Echo Delta 744.
Delta 744, hold short of runway 8 right.
Hold short of runway 8 right Delta 744.
Delta 744, hold short of taxiway Delta.
Hold short
Actually,
of
I'd rather
Delta,
use
Delta
Lima
744.
10, but I don't think 10 will go across properly. Delta 1210, continue taxi. Just get you
Continue
across.
taxi Delta 1210.
You're going there, you're going there. Yep. Everything is shaping up nicely. Delta 1317, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta 1317.
Down Delta as well. I should be able to get that guy across. That one's going to have to wait. There you going? Sweet, you're going across. Good. Don't have to talk to you. So, I'm surprised I find myself with a moment to chat. Spirit Wings 163, runway 27 right, climb to 1000 on reaching...
Negative.
Do nothing.
Spirit Wings 163.
Yeah, they'll make it. Spirit Wings 163, runway 27 right, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 right, climb to 1000.
Delta 338, taxi to apron via Lima.
163.
That's
Taxi to
fine.
apron via line Delta 338.
Alright, so anyway, I had a massive departure rush at the start with constant arrivals due to all of the other traffic coming in. I got a little bit backed up due to some routing issues, some problems of my own, and some other things I just had to focus on for a moment, getting a few things caught up with. But I did utilize the plan that I wanted to use. I mentioned it in the comments a few weeks ago to Gary that I had a plan to utilize one of the runways in a different way, kind of mixing his plan with a little bit of Steve's plan. And that's kind of what I did here. Now, this didn't really incorporate Steve's plan because this is the normal operation for Atlanta, not usually the 9er left, 9er right that I had been using, which is what I'm going to do in the next video. I'm going to go back to doing that, or I'll do it this way across Juliet again.
With you, runway 27 left.
But utilizing multiple runways for departures in that way. But what this allowed me to do was jump the line, have a plane already parked on the runway, lined up, ready to go, with another plane right in front of it. Fire the plane off in front. As soon as they're airborne, you already have a plane on the runway ready to go behind it. You shoot them off. You can have another two planes line up and wait on the exact same runway. So you basically cut quite a bit of time out of the delay between getting a plane lined up on the runway and going, and it allows you to kind of maximize the usage. So then you can taxi across the rear. You can also line up behind the rear. So I could have a plane come in on LC, depart them, line up a plane behind on 27 right, depart them, while the next one's lining up on LC. The next plane could be taxiing across, then line one up, and kind of go back and forth and alternate. And I did have a pretty decent backup, not a bad one, but a pretty decent one, and I managed to blitz through it because I used LC and 27 right, and that kind of allowed me to jump the line and save me a few seconds, as well as shunting the planes up here to 26 left, because that really saved me a lot of time as well. Delta 2452, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Delta 1762, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Negative. Delta 1762.
Delta 1762, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Negative. Delta
Okay,
1762.
why do you not want to land?
Runway
Okay,
27
guess
left,
I'm
cleared
just
to land. Delta
Not able to
1762.
talk. I thought I told you to hold short of taxiway Delta. Delta 744, hold short of taxiway Lima 10.
Hold short of taxiway line Tango Delta
just
744.
Hold your position where you are. Delta 846, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot. Now, I didn't have to run into the cross runway issue that I was afraid of, and I was able to get a ton of planes because I had a massive backup here due to that one routing issue here where I had to hold him, and then I had to get all these guys out of it, and then all these guys out of the way so they wouldn't all drive into each other. And then on top of that, I had a bunch of backup down here, but utilizing both taxiways allowed me to get all of them across. Delta 338, continue taxi. Delta 1212, taxi to apron via Tango Mike Delta.
Taxi to apron via Tango Mike Delta Delta 121.
And that actually worked surprisingly well in continuing to move my planes across the runway, because then I was able to maximize 2 across. Now, November 5 Mike, I had some glitches with that, so I just shunted them down to Tango, and it seemed to allow them to get across much more efficiently, and that's what really worked out well. Delta 2329er, pushback approved, expect runway 26 left.
Ground, 26 left, pushback approved. Delta 2329er.
Southwest 188, hold short of taxiway Echo.
Hold short of taxiway Echo, Southwest 188.
And that's really the only reason this one was as successful as it was. Delta 517, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Negative. Delta 517.
Am I not? Delta 517, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Negative. Delta 517.
I am retarded. Delta 517, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left, cleared to land, Delta 517.
Delta 744, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Delta 744.
Delta 2329er, continue taxi.
Ground, Delta 2329er, ready to taxi. Continue taxi,
Delta 1212, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Delta 1212.
Alright, now. Delta 2329er, runway 26 left, taxi via Delta Golf Echo.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Delta Golf Echo, Delta 2329er.
Come on, route. It ain't that difficult. Good. Just afraid this guy's not going to stop in time. Anyway, I'm quite pleased with how that worked, and I'm definitely going to use it again, and I think I'm going to stay on this side of the airport. It's how the airport normally operates, so I want to try to focus on running it this way. The way I'm piloting this now is exactly how the airport works. How I'm taxiing is not quite how it works, but at least the arrival and departure runways is exactly how Atlanta runs. So I'm very pleased with the fact that this has been successful. I'm also shocked at that. But when I do this again, I'm going to use Juliet. I think it's just going to work out better the way I did it last time, where I'd have a plane queued on Juliet, fire them across. I'll have 2 planes lined up here on 27 right, and I think it's really going to give me kind of the best of both worlds. You did not do what I told you to do. I told you to hold short of taxiway Echo. You did exactly what I told you to do. Southwest 188, hold position. Delta 2329er, hold position.
Hold position, Delta 2329er.
Southwest 188, taxi to apron via Golf Echo Delta.
Taxi to apron via Golf Echo Delta, Southwest 188.
Delta 1317, hold short of taxiway Charlie.
Hold short of taxiway Charlie, Delta 1317.
Who's an idiot? Southwest 188, taxi to apron via Delta Golf Echo.
Taxi to apron via Delta Golf Echo, Southwest 188.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Southwest 188, taxi to apron via Alpha Romeo November 6. Southwest 188, taxi to apron via Golf.
Taxi to apron
Perfect,
via
I'll
Golf,
take it.
Southwest 188.
Southwest 188, taxi to apron via Golf Echo.
Taxi to apron via Alpha Romeo November 6, Southwest 188. Taxi to apron via Golf Echo, Southwest 188.
Take it. Southwest 188, taxi to apron via Golf. I don't care, just go that
Taxi
way.
to apron
Just get
via
off this
Golf,
one.
Southwest 188.
I need you to get out of here. That's what I'm kind of alluding to right now. Go, go, go. Delta 1762, taxi to apron via Lima.
Taxi to apron via line Delta 1762.
Alright, let's get you turned off. Bump the speed up here. Right the tail end. Come on, buddy, let's go. Get out of my way. Alright. Delta 2329er, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 2329er.
Southwest 188, hold short of taxiway Echo.
Hold short
Southwest
of taxiway
188,
Echo,
taxi to
Southwest
apron via
188.
Echo Delta.
Taxi to apron via Echo Delta Southwest
You
188.
better hold position, you little goofball.
Hold
Stop.
position Southwest 188.
I told you to stop. I want you to stop. Alright, so now these two planes are going to come out. 3 planes are going to come out. And then that one's going to go down. Alright.
Tower, Southwest 4063, requesting push and start.
Southwest 4063, pushback approved. Expect runway 26 left.
Ground, to 6 left, pushback approved. Southwest 40.
Delta 517, taxi to apron via Lima Delta.
Taxi to apron via line Delta.
Delta 1762,
517.
continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 1762. Tower, AC 5372 with you, runway to 6 right.
AC 5372, runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Runway to 6 right, cleared to land AC 5.
Delta 1317, continue taxi.
Ground, Southwest 4063, ready to taxi.
Southwest 4063, runway 26 right, taxi via Foxtrot Echo.
Continue taxi Delta 1317. Runway to 6 right, taxi via Foxtrot Echo Southwest 4063.
Come on, boys, get a move on. Giving you your clearances. Go, go. Southwest 188, continue taxi. Do a U-turn, my
Continue
friend.
taxi Southwest 188.
It's like the most convoluted maneuver. We got the herpaderps. We got the departure. We got the arrival. We got the arrival. Everybody's happy. Southwest 188, hold position.
Hold position Southwest 188.
You were just going to drive right into that guy, weren't you? Southwest 188, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Southwest 188.
Pilot's going to come out and beat me up. There you go, boys. Delta 2329er, runway 26 left, climb to 1000. On reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Southwest 4063, runway 26 left at Echo 11.
Runway to 6
Hey, it
left
took
at
it.
Echo 11 Southwest 4063. Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000. On reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 2329er.
Everybody's winning. Delta 517, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 517. Tower, Southwest 28907, requesting push and start.
No, I'm going to delete these two and I'm going to finish this one out the way it is. So, this is the end. I'm going to route these last aircraft and overall enjoy the fact that I am fairly pleased with myself. I had some stupid moments, but I controlled Atlanta in proper configuration with real traffic without going completely off the wall the entire time. I did have a problem where I did have some routing issues and communication issues that caused a few delays that I then had to run in and just do a bunch of communications, which I know isn't 100% accurate. But in doing so, I was able to catch up and I was able to keep the entire airport functional in proper standard fashion. So, Southwest 4063, runway 26 left, climb to 1000. On reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway to 6 left, climb to 1000. On reaching,
And
contact
that, to
departure,
me,
cleared for
is
takeoff.
quite a good thing. AC 5372, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot. I, again, at the end here, had that stupid routing issue, but I caught it in time, and I fixed it. And I was able to route the planes properly to their respective gates, and everything worked out functional. So I'm calling this a success. Not a perfect success by any means, because again, I did have those errors, but I caught my mistakes in time and I was able to get them working. Now, it took a lot of attention to really stay on top of where all the planes were, who was routing where, and to make sure I got everything taken care of properly, but it worked. So I'm actually very pleased with this. So that's quite a few successful runs, and we have multiple ways of running the airport now. And keeping very close tabs on Delta is the key to making this work. it is very difficult to stay that on top of which planes are running where exactly when everybody taxis there, and any delays in moving any airplane anywhere across the airport, and you really are in for a problem. And that's where I got really lucky with Delta. Now, I paid attention to the planes landing, and a few were supposed to come over here, but I held them up on Foxtrot here because of all the other issues with taxiing that allowed the other planes to shunt across and get into position so they didn't conflict. But that is the lucky aspect of this that I actually had. Otherwise, this would not have gone as well as it did. And again, I'm frankly surprised, but this works. So I can play Atlanta in normal operations now, and we're good to go. So now I can also flip it up and use 9 right and 8 left to land, and I should have the same overall viability and functionality of the airport because I have a proper way of doing this that works. So should make for an interesting game now. I mentioned that the next video I'm going to kind of test doing 2-7 right and 2-7 left, and then I'll probably do a flipped reverse. Now usually they'll use 8 left and 9 left for 8 left and 9 right for departures. Typically when they're doing ILS, the standard configuration we're in now is usually for VFR. So we'll see how it goes, but I think this was pretty good. So thank you for watching. Thank you for the feedback. Gary and Steve helped keep me attentive and focused on some new areas. So hopefully you all enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.